kanina nakita ko ganyan ang turo niya. Pero ngayon, ganyan naman din. Anong pa? Tama, ganyan?
Ibang hawak.
Hindi, ganyan. Ganito, diba?
Open lang, isang kamay lang.
Isang, diba yan?
Okay, ready?
Freehand lang.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 3, and cha-cha, 1. Ulit.
Yung kanina.
Dito tayo para hindi mo sa mata.
Ready?
Oh my gosh, nakalimutan ko na.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 3, and 4, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 3.
Ay, wait. Sorry.
Paano mag-ikot? Hindi na, ganyan na.
Ganyan lang, no?
Tapos, dakpon dito.
Hindi kayo makaka-turn kung naghahawakan kayong dalawa.
Oo.
Dapat may push.
Talaga?
Ready? Ulit. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 1.
Excuse me.
Diretso mo lang, gawin niyo lang step.
Stop, ganyan.
Ready?
Itulak
One,
kita.
last time. Ready?
Ikot ka.
Bing and tin. Ready?
Tama yung turn ko.
Yes.
Like,
Oh.
ay, wait. Turn pa tayo.
Basta pagdating
Gawin mo
sa
yung step mo. Yung step mo kanina lang.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 3, and 4, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 1.
Di ba? 1,
1, 2,
1, 2, 3.
1, 3, 4.
Ay, step up isa.
Hindi. Pagbalik pala ganyan, pagbalik pa lang ganyan, ganyan na tayo, para i-pause, i-pause din.
1,
2.
Mali ako.
Again. 5, 6, 7.
2, 3,
1, 2.
3, and 4.
Okay. Palit ko yung dalawa. Palit ng partners. You try.
Samba?
Ready?
Ano yung samba?
Okay.
Ano yung samba nga?
Ay, yung...
Bounce.
Dito.
Bounce, creating. Okay, ganun.
Baliktad.
1, at 2,
Left.
3, at 4. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. 1, at 2, 3, at 4, 5, at
6, 7, 8. With?
1, at 2,
Ay, sorry.
3, at 4, 5, at 6, 7, and 8. Again. Girls, 3
Walang
steps
belt?
yan, ah.
Wala.
Sino may belt dyan?
Step, 2 step, step, 3 step, step, 4 step, step. Same sa lalaki, 3 steps yan.
1 step,
Okay, ready?
step.
5,
Tatlong
6,
step po.
7, go. And 1, at 2, 3, at 4, 5, at 6, 7, and 8. And 1, at 2, 3, at 4, 5, at 6, 7, and stop. Music nga.
Para pa. Excuse me, Dan.
Tayo, sasamba kami.
Tatlo.
Ha?
Sasamba tayo.
Mas mabilis na.
Yung natin ka tayo.
Yep. Mahirap yung cha-cha. Ayoko sa cha-cha.
Hindi, mali ako sa first step ko. Diretso ko.
Yeah.
Gumaganyan ako, hindi na ako.
And
Mahirap ako sa numbers.
and 1.
Cha-cha.
Girls, yung landing ng paa.
Landing ba? Ganyan pala daw.
Hindi ganyan yung landing ng paa. Hindi ka na ano kanina.
Go.
Yes, ball. Yes. Hindi siya yung ganun. Kailangan yung
Tapos
landing ng paa,
sabay.
ball.
Sa lalaki din.
Ganun din, ball din. Ganyan din, oh. And 1, at 2, 3, at 4. Para yung landing niya so, hindi yung...
Kaya to.
Ang isa. Hindi. Ang isa.
Ay, ganun
Sunod.
din. 1,
Creating ano na to?
Puso tayo sa tamba.
Yan.
6, 7, 4,
1, 2, 3, 4.
7, 8. Ano? 1, 2, 3.
Lahat, puro lahat ganyan, chong.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Sa ma'am, kang ma'am nga pa, kaya nakalanding naman.
1, 2, 3.
Kang ma'am, kaya nakaganyan naman pa niya. Kaya nakahiyar.
Plan?
Malayo.
Paano pag-plan?
Try one, two, 5, 6, 7, go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm bouncing up to get them. And 1, 2, up, down, left. bago ka pa mag-back, mag-up ka muna.
Okay.
Bago ka rin mag-forward, mag-up ka rin. So, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up,
Step
down.
1 na, pwede.
Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Nagmamadali lang. So, and up, down, 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 up, down. At 2, step. Taran, nagmamadali. Tan, tan, step, 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 step,
Yun,
step,
nakukuha
step,
na. Konti.
step, 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 step. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1,
Yung tennis player.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Step, back. Step and back. No, walang double step. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
4 times ba?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3,
1, 2, 3. Okay, forward. And step, step, step. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ito, kasi 1, 2, 3 mo talaga yung paa. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1,
Paano
2, 3.
mag-side?
1, 2, 3.
Sides.
Parang hirap ako mag-bounce na okay.
Paano to?
And 1, backward.
Pwede yung practice. Sa pa.
sige.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Dapat backward, forward ka. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
5, 6, 7,
1, 2, 3.
8.
Side. 1, 2, 3.
I get it.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Bounce, bounce po. Bounce. Walang tigil pag bounce.
Pero
Bounce.
mas magaling ka sa jazz.
Bounce. Bounce.
Yes, ano yan?
Bounce.
Hindi.
Kailangan
Yung
3.
back step.
Kailangan 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3.
So parang siya cha-cha.
Yes, yes, yes. So, go. 1
Feeling ko
and
dun ka
2. Putting
magaling.
yung baso. Pam, 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 pam. And 1, at 2, at 3, at 4, and 5, at 6, and 7, at 8. So from down, we go up first. Down, up,
Kuya,
down,
may napili
up,
ako.
down, up, down. No? And then,
Ay.
Kuya.
5, 6, 7, go. You go backward and down.
Yeah.
So from here, you go up muna. Up ka muna. 1, at 2, and 2, at 2, and 1, at 2, and 2, at 2, and 1, at 2, 2, at 2, 1, at 2, 2, wrist, and 1, at 2, down, up, down, up, down. Kung isunod-slow mo talaga siya, yung bounce yung continue. And 1, and 2, and 1, and 2, and 1, and 2, and 1. Try nyo. Importante yung beats. One more.
Wala.
One more.
Sige.
At ganito rin muna hawak. Para mas madali. Ganito mo hawak. Yes, yes. 5, 6, 7, go. And 1, at 2, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down.
Walang tigil po yung up and down. Up and down. Up and down.
5, 6, 7, go. 1, at 2, 2, at 2, and 3, at 2. That's it. Continue. And 1, at 2. 2, at 2. Yun muna. 3, at 2. Yun muna. Pam, go. 1,
Huwag
at 2.
masyadong bumaba din.
At 2. 3,
Pa-forward
at 2.
ang bounce.
4, at 2.
Di
ba bagsak?
1, at 2. 3, at 4. Tama ba?
Ah,
5, 6, 7, at 8. So actually, yung landing nyo dapat is soft.
Okay.
And 1. Yes. So,
gawin na.
1 and 2. Take off. Landing red. 1 and 2. And 1.
2, 3,
And 2.
4, and 1.
Okay? 5. Sabi tayo. 5, 6, 7, go. And
2, 3.
5, 6, 7.
Cha-cha 1. Yung naman, cha-cha. Yan.
Sumobra ka.
Bigla.
So, yung step mo.
And 1.
1 and 2.
Step, close step.
Ay, sorry,
Step,
sorry.
Step, 2, 3. Step, close step.
1 and 2.
Step,
Yes.
close step.
1
Forward.
and 2.
2,
Down
3.
and
Step,
up,
close step.
up, down and
Step,
up.
step, close step.
1, 2, 3. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Continue. And 1 and 2. 2 and 2. And 1 and 2. 2 and
Balik.
2.
Okay,
1 and 2. 1 and 2 and 2. Continue. And 1 and 2 and 2 and 2. 3 and 2 and 2.
Yun ang inyo sabay. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Nagiging hip-hop.
7, and up, down, up, down, up, down, down. Ganyan.
Yung ganito niyo po sa lapel.
down, up, down, up, down.
Wala kayong bag sa lapel?
Up, down.
Wala.
Bakit?
Up, down,
Hindi ko
up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down.
Bakit?
Lagyan mo.
Bawal yun.
Di ba,
Sabihin mo kay
ginagawa ko
kuya.
ganyan lang eh.
Sabihin mo kay kuya.
1, 2, 3 step.
Hingi ka ng
1,
bagong bag.
2, 3. Pero sabay ang tatlo.
Bakit?
1, 2, 3.
Kasi,
1, 2, 3.
saan siya?
1, 2,
Sino
3.
to?
1, 2, 3.
Sunod, di ko na
1, 2, 3.
di ko na ito ibulag.
1, 2, 3.
Bawal
1, 2, 3.
He wants gusto mo maporma ha? Gusto mo maporma? Hala ka.
Sa susunod, hindi na.
1, 2, sabay.
Magagalit si kuya, pinagalit yan.
1, 2, sabay.
Sira kasi yung mic eh.
1, 2, sabay. 1,
No?
parang may extra step rin siya. 1, 2, parang i-step mo to.
Side
Okay.
and cross.
1, 2, kasi nag-flat ka. Kailangan ko gamitin yung ball.
Okay.
1 ball flat. Back
okay.
and flat.
1, 2, sabay.
1,
Huwag po yung ganyan kasi
1,
magiging
2,
hip-hop siya.
3. 1, 2,
As mo,
3.
yan.
Saka tandaan nyo, yung bouncing action nyo, hindi pabagsak.
No, yung
Pa-forward.
Ako forward.
Oo, pa-forward. Tan, tatan. Tan, tatan. Hindi pa down.
Ganyan na po muna.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, at 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, tapos na.
Isa pa po step. Hindi na po ganyan.
Apat lang.
Sumusunod po.
Again, ready? And 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4, side, and 1, 2, 3, ulit, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a side, 2, 3, 4, baka na natin. Okay, assignment niyo yan ha, ang basic step, tandaan nyo.
Ganyan lang siya eh.
Okay, let's try.
Tama na yan.
Oo,
Dapat ganyan po.
boxing. Tatan, tatan, tatan.
Ano? 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Kayo po gumaganon lang po.
And 2, up na. Yan. And 2, up na. 1, and 2, up ulit. 1, and 2, up ulit. Yun. Okay?
Okay. Non-stop tayo din. Practice.
Ay, naku.
Let's try tomorrow. Yan natin sila.
Ano? Sino ba?
Roy, pwede kang maupo sa couch, not on the stage. Thank you. Wendy and Carlo.